Everyone, welcome back to the channel. This one, if you're coming from my last video, which is the SA Beamer, you'll know that this is the same day. I'm on my way to work, but this morning or earlier I had my car do a rattle clunking sound on me. I can't replicate the sound because it's not always there. Like I'm literally driving on a bumpy road now. See if I can, maybe a little bit there. Oh, it's bad now. Son. Now the thing is, a lot of people on forums and stuff speak about the sound. That Raymond Arias, he has it come up in his video, but I think this is the most detailed video or recording of the sound, and you can't tell where it's coming from. It sounds like it's on this right hand side. I can maybe feel it in the firewall just a little bit. I can't feel it on the steering wheel though. So it's definitely echoing through the body for sure, which leads me to think it's the top strut mount. So I finally got the part. I just have to put it in. So this is the part that you need to be replacing, which is a what they call a top mount strut bearing. It allows the spring to actually turn when you turn the wheel, and I think this is blown. I think this is messed up. I actually drove now, and you can actually, I think the bearings like literally fell out because I could hear it hit the floor and stuff. So this thing needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna have to. Now this is the part number, not 100% sure. Obviously it's not a Mercedes-Benz part, it's a February part, which is actually very good. So it doesn't have a doesn't have a 204 part number. I'm sorry that I could not give you guys the part number, but yeah, I think I'm going to replace this. Okay, so at time out here in Claremont, they're gonna do the job for me. I was thinking of doing it on my own, but I don't want to struggle because it might be tools that I don't have. Michael VDV told me, yeah, I can come by him and stuff, but also I'm not at home. If I need to leave or I need something, I don't want to have my car in the way by him, so I don't want to inconvenience to do it. He's already very busy, and you can only do work on the weekends. So right now Merc is getting, or about to get, the whole innards taken out, and then we'll see how it goes. Baby's getting worked out. I hate it. I hate it. You guys also hate it when someone else works on your car, or is it just me? And I stay back, I respect the guys, I let them work. I don't like being all up on them when they're working. I'll go check it up when the spring is out because I actually want to see the bearing when it comes out. It's a very good opportunity for once your car is up on the lift for some reason, any reason, to just check everything once you're under here. It does look pretty okay, pretty clean, pretty dry. And this is why I have a big tank. The tank goes across both sides all the way. Okay, so it's out the car now, and yeah, this thing is done. It's even shaking, but okay, let's knock it for a bit. Yeah, it's plastic on plastic here. Plastic on plastic, I can feel it. It's finished. Looks like a lot of sand also got in there. Ay, sorry. Focus. Looks like a lot of sand also got in there, but it's like super loose. I can't do this with one hand. Skimming the dirt while it's on the car. That I've never seen before, ever. Okay, just had it replaced now, and sounds gone. Sounds gone. Brilliant. That's the problem, guys. If you have a knocking problem, especially in front, a little bit metal on metal, everything else seems fine, then you're definitely on the right path trying to change the bearing. If the bearing's not the issue, then I don't know. Probably low control arm, steering rack end, or the drop links. It could be that, but yeah, I was spot on when I thought that it was that. It was the top mount strut bearing. 350 Rand I think it is at Master Parts, and it cost me 300 Rand odd here to put it in. And they do alignment, which is, yeah, I don't think this car's ever had alignment. I have it 3 odd years and hasn't had alignment, so yeah, that worked. So oh yes boy, yes. I'll see you guys in the next video. This one was not a fail. I'm out. Bye. Please like, subscribe down below. And if you want more Mercedes-Benz content or more random Cape Town stuff, just hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.